Today, we're taking you inside a one-of-a-kind Victorian home full of timeless charm and modern potential. This home greets you with a gorgeous curved front porch, the perfect place to enjoy those island breezes. Step inside to soaring 10-foot ceilings, rich hardwood floors, and not one, but 3 fireplaces that showcase the home's original character. The kitchen offers generous storage with built-in cabinets and a convenient 3/4 bath and laundry area, all with access to your deck and backyard oasis. Upstairs, you'll find 4 roomy bedrooms and a full bath. The master retreat features its own fireplace for added comfort. Enjoy your backyard with a pool for summer fun and garden areas, bursting with raspberries and strawberries. Recent updates include garage roof, siding, and windows, plus additional windows for the main level ready for installation. Whether you're looking for your forever home or a standout Airbnb, this Victorian gem is perfect for you.